Justice number 3, Superboy.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Fingerboards.
Fingerboards.
These are tough to get open. I don't know why McDonald's are so tough to get open. But they are.
Burger King has a better...
They have a thing you tear.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the
And I got...
collection, and this is...
Oh yeah, Superboy's
Superboy.
actually in order. It goes 1, 2, 3. Superboy's in order. That's weird.
And there's Superboy. Let's see. Slow down so people can move your fingers so they can really get a good look at it. Okay, and then turn it over.
Young Justice.
Oh, that's nice too. So,
Yeah.
what do you want to give this a rating? You
Let's
want to see
see
if it
how it
works?
reels.
Yeah. It works good.
And it went over this dog.
Okay. So, do you want to
And
rate
I give
this?
this toy a 10 out of 10 by
10 out of 10.